नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, JV and Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor in Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Now today we are starting new topic, actinomyosis. Now, what is what is actinomyocytes? Actinomyocytes gram-positive philomorphic non-sporing forming non-acid fast aerobic or microaerophilic bacilli of the genus Actinomyces and the order Actinomycetolates causes the actinomyosis. Actinomyces are very closely related to Nocardia species. We both were once considered to be fungal organisms. Now, taxonomy of the anaerobic actinomyocytes. Anaerobic non-sporulatic gram-positive rods consist of two groups based on guanosine, G plus, and cytosine, DNA containing. That is low molecule percentage 30 to 53 and high mole percentage 49 to 68 percentage. Actinomyocytes species number of high G plus C group. Now several species can cause the actinomyosis and can be polymicrobial infection. Actinomyosis is a gram-positive non-sporing forming anaerobic or microaerophilic bacterial rod. Actinomyosis Israel causes most actinomyosis infection in human. Although other forms such as actinomyosis odontolyticus, actinomyosis vis- viscosus, actinomyosis miris, and propionibacterium pro, propionicum have also been reported. Actinomyosis infections are commonly polymicrobial. Now, actinomycosis. Actinomyosis is an infection bacterial disease caused by the actinomyosis species such as Actinomyces israeli. It can also be caused by Propionibacterium propinquus. Actinomycete is a normal flora. Actinomyces species that causes the human disease are not found in nature but are normally flora of oropharynx, GI tract, and female genital tract. This is not an exogenous infection, therefore non-person to person spread of pathogens occur. Actinomyces continue. Now highly virulent component of flora component of oral flora, periodontal pockets, dental plaque, and tonsillar crust take advance of injury to penetrate mucosal barrier. Coincident infection, trauma, surgery. These are the common cause of actinomyosis. Now culture of actinomyocytes. Actinomyosis species grow well in enriched media with brain-heart infusion and may be aided in grow by an atmosphere of 6 to 10% ambient carbon dioxide. They grow best in 37-degree. Colonies can appear at 3 to 7 days, but to ensure that no grow is a missed, observe culture for 21 days. Now in continue of actinomycin in next class. This session powered by Digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you any query, please mention in comment box. I will be resolve it. Thank you.